Hello students, today let us study about prepositions. What is the meaning of preposition? Let us see the definition. A preposition is a word that indicates the position or relation of a noun or pronoun with another noun or pronoun or verb in a sentence. Let's see what it is. The planets revolve around the sun. Planets and sun are noun and revolve is a preposition. Many prepositions are used in different contexts. I met him on the terrace on time. On here is used in different contexts. Some prepositions have more than one word. They are called compound prepositions. We will see them later. I hung the mirror in front of the door and the towel rod next to it. So in front of and next to, these are compound preposition, more than one word. Prepositions link words to indicate movement, location, position and directions. Prepositions link words to indicate time. For example, all students come to school by 7:30 a.m. So it indicates time. The preposition by works as an agent. The preposition with works as an instrument. Agent and instrument. Let's see in this sentence. The vegetables were cut by my mother with a sharp knife. With here is an instrument. By is a agent. By whom? A preposition begins a group of words called a prepositional phrase. Have you seen crabs scoot behind a rock? Here behind is a preposition. Behind is a rock is a prepositional phrase. You have already studied about phrase. Now let's see different preposition which shows location or position, which shows time and which shows direction. Now let's see preposition that shows location or position. In, on, inside, outside, in front of, behind, under, over, with. These show location or position, where it is. Kitty is sitting on the roof. Where Kitty is sitting? On. It shows the position. Now next time. At, on, in, before, after, until, within. This shows time. Let's see with an example. Ricky watches TV after dinner. When does he watch TV? After dinner. Now let's see prepositions of direction. From, to, through. These are prepositions of direction. Example, the train is passing through the tunnel. Through it shows the direction. So these are different prepositions. Now let's see their types. There are prepositions, simple prepositions, compound prepositions and phrasal or phrase prepositions. So there are three types of prepositions: simple, compound and phrasal. Let's see simple prepositions. In simple preposition we have only one word. For example, in, to, by, on, up, with. Compound prepositions: between, behind, within, without, inside. So like for example, with plus in, within, with plus out, without, in plus side, inside, outside, out plus side, outside. These are compound prepositions. More than one word which are together are called compound prepositions. There are many more which you will learn. Now phrase prepositions: by means of, according to, in front of, in place of. These are called phrasal preposition. There are 2-word phrasal prepositions and 3-word phrasal prepositions, which I will send you photo. You can see for yourself and learn their meanings. Thank you.